Hi friends, welcome back to another day in my vlog. So today's vlog is about some outing. We had been out last week somewhere with the kids. Basically it's a zoo. So we had taken them to a nearby zoo. So it's like a long time they didn't have an outdoor fun and something like that. So now that my husband and myself, we both are vaccinated, so we thought we'll just take them, and it's summers here now. So we just took them to a nearby zoo. It's a very small zoo, like a total of 1 hour time we can spend inside and see some little bit of animals. So yeah, my son loves zoo visits and all. So we thought we'll start with the zoo this time. So that's a Cowgirl Mountain Zoo. It's very near from our house, like a half-an-hour drive. So that's the zoo entrance. So we're just waiting for taking the tickets. So all are masked up, though people are getting vaccinated. So we're just waiting in line for our ticket. So we got our tickets and we are in now. So there's a statue of this camel that's wearing a mask, just to show people that, wear a mask and be safe. So that's the entrance of the zoo. As I told you, it's a very small zoo, like we can finish in an hour with few animals. We thought we'll just start with this zoo, and later, as days go by and we get a good climate, we'll explore other zoos that's a little far away from our house and all. So that's the first animal that's there. It's called cowgirls. Actually, I've never seen cowgirl, so that's how a cowgirl looks. They did give us a map where we can explore where things are in the zoo. So that's a cowgirl. I've never seen that. He actually slept while we were coming towards the zoo, so he took a little time to come up. So this is the next spot. That's a reindeer. Reindeer actually mostly, it's during Christmas you can spot a lot of reindeers here. So that's a Santa's cart carrier. That's what they say. So that's the reindeer. They were all very far away, so I couldn't capture them much. You can see that. They're all sitting in the shade. They actually have big horns. That's what the reindeer have. That's how the reindeer looks. This is just a figure. And then we walked down for the next sighting. It was a good sunny day though. This is a small cafeteria that they have, but it was not so much open for the public that we can sit and enjoy. This was something called Magic Forest. Inside this they had a lot of figures of dinosaur, alligator, a lot of figures they had put up. And there were directions also, like it was only one way and the exit is on the other side. So like that they had put it. You can see that crocodile and alligator kind of figures. No one was allowed to touch it. That's why they had marked it like that. You can see the arrow marks. This is one animal called emu. It looks like this. Actually, when we were given tickets, we were also given 2 small cups of apples that we can feed this. Some animals we can feed. So one of them was emu, whom we can feed those apples. You can see the cup in my daughter's hand. Actually, everybody was coming and feeding them, so they're not interested to eat much. You can see now they're eating the apples that we had thrown. This is called wallabies. Kind of look like a rabbit family, but it's a little huge than a rabbit. It was busy eating. It was not interested in our apples. This is cranes. This one. So in this zoo there was kind of animals that we cannot see in regular zoo. This was a deer. The kids can feed the deer the apples. You can see some other kid was feeding. Initially my kids were a little hesitant to feed. Then they saw other people feeding, so they got that confidence and they tried giving the apples to the deer. Initially they were throwing the apples because they didn't have the confidence to feed him with the hand. Yeah, she was a little scared. You can see that because he was showing big teeth, so she got scared. That's the crane. They were trying to fly. They were just trying to show some flying things. So I was just capturing that. And again we made an attempt to make them feed through hands. That's my son. She was scared, but she made it. Then after some time they got settled and they enjoyed feeding the deer. And he was also very calm, eating from their hands. It was nice. That was something nice. And then we sanitized their hands. One was resting over there in the calm place in the shade. This is called mule deer. That's what it is. Some were resting in the shade and one of them was standing there. Actually, now she reads very well, so we just make her read some banners and everything like that. That's called a llama. Yeah, that's called a llama. So there were different colors: white, brown, mix of black. They were not interested in our apples. He thought initially it was a real one, but then we said that it's just a figure. This is one animal called lemur. I think they're babies. Actually they look a little bigger, but this one is like babies. You can see slide and all for them. So this is another kind of animal. It was just enjoying and resting. So this is macaw. They are in different color and you find them in very different colors like blue, mixed colors. This is blue. and here you can see this is in a mixed color of red, yellow. Actually they're just cool. They're not bothered people are watching them and all. They're just coolly standing there. We are not supposed to feed them and disturb them. We can just look at them from a distance. Some of them are in cages, like you can see this. They have even names too. I couldn't capture their names. I realized later that they have names. This one is called Max. Yeah, one of them is called Max. Look at different names are given to them. They look so beautiful, right? This was one area where all different kinds of birds were there. So this is another area for cranes. We can actually feed them too. We got to know. So we also threw apples so that he can eat, but it didn't reach him because the nets were a little small, so it didn't reach him. There are a lot of apples on the floor there actually. And this again towards the upside of the emu. We were walking towards that side. There are some animals on the top. So actually from this side also we can throw apples to them, but they were all far away, so we thought we'll just move a little forward and feed them. So this is different information about the animals and their habitats and everything. You can see he is very interested to feed the animals, and he didn't want to come out of the zoo. He was enjoying feeding them. The one was not bothered. He was throwing food for him, but I think the emus were done. So much apples in a day. They were not interested. That's a tiger pond, they said, but we did not sight any tiger there. I think it was not there or something. I don't know what was the reason, but we couldn't find any tiger, or it was resting somewhere inside, I guess. So we didn't spot any tiger. That's the whole area for the tigers, but you can see I did not spot anyone. So bad luck, we couldn't see any tiger. Now we were moving to the wolves. There were 3 or 4 wolves, but by the time we reached there, they had their lunch and they were resting. They're all resting. We tried to make a lot of noise so that they give us a look, but they were all deep sleep. That's the homes for them, I think. So they were resting in shade, nice deep in sleep after lunch. That's the one area that I captured where the zoo is. You can see the view, it's so beautiful. It's like on top of a hill with a lot of greenery, and you can see like far away. So that's all the animals were, and our visit was over. So if we had leftover apples, we were planning to give them to the emu buck again. And they were least interested in our apples because they were done for the day. So that's all from me today. I hope you enjoyed this small vlog, small outdoor vlog and family fun. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and be a part of our beautiful family. Stay safe, have a good time with your family, and stay tuned till my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.